To set up pre-orders in Squarespace, start by typing Squarespace into your web browser's search bar and clicking on the resulting squarespace.com link. This will take you to the website, where you'll see a login prompt. Click on it and enter your email and password information. Once logged in, you'll see your account name and can access the account dashboard. From there, navigate to the store page, which is where your products and orders are managed. Find the product you want to enable pre-orders for. Click Edit, and you'll be taken to a page with various options, including Checkout. Look for the Marketing and Selling Tools sections, where you can find custom forms and buttons. Enable the custom label option and create a label, such as Add to Cart or Pre-order to change the purchase button label. If you have Express Checkout enabled, you can also direct customers straight to checkout, allowing them to pre-order even if the product isn't ready yet. By following these steps, you can easily set up pre-orders in Squarespace and start taking orders for upcoming products.